Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2013 Nissan Altima. This one is the SV package, and I'm not sure why they call it SV, but I think it's a pretty special value. This one you get all the goodies. You get your fog lights, you get your premium alloy wheels, you get your sunroof. This one has the complete keyless system. You just have the key fob. As long as that's in your pocket, you lock and unlock the doors, start the car, push button, no keys whatsoever. And if you're not real familiar with the Altima, they are rock solid durable, will run forever. This thing gets 27 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. Yes, you heard me right. 27 city and 38 highway. Hard to believe a car this size could get that kind of fuel economy, but Nissan has done it, and they've done it pretty incredibly because this 2.5 liter actually has a really good amount of power too. You see that this one, you get tons of room inside. Get your folding center console there, and again, it's just push button to unlock and lock the car as long as you got the key in your pocket. This one has your power options. You do get your power seats. This one does have your duplicate audio controls. Does have your cruise control. Has your premium audio, and that does have Bluetooth. Does have dual climate control. You have your USB input for your phone. You do have your oversized center console with plenty of storage in there. This one has the electrochromatic mirror, which shades if someone pulls up behind you, and it has the compass display in there. And one thing I think is really cool, this thing even has a little picture of the car there. Pretty cool. With it, you also get the backup camera with this one, so it's really got everything you could ever wish for, and all of this for well under $15,000. That is a extraordinarily good value, guys, and it only has 30 couple thousand miles. Where else can you find a better value than that? So you have full factory warranty with this vehicle, and we have no processing fees. And if you have any questions or want to come down and take a look at this, text us or give us a call. Number's 540-433-7335. Thanks for stopping by.